Well, the key accused in the black marketing of oxygen concentrators case, Navneet Kalra, has been denied relief by a Delhi court. His anticipatory bail plea has been adjourned to tomorrow, and the court has refused to put a stay on the police's course of action. During the hearing, Kalra's counsel alleged that the businessman was being hounded by authorities. His company, Matrix Cellular, has also moved High Court against the seizure of oxygen concentrators, saying that they were duty imported through regular channels and all the taxes were paid. This comes a day after Delhi Police Crime Branch initiated a probe in the matter, launching a manhunt for Kalra, who faces charges of hoarding and black marketing of oxygen concentrators. Anisha Mathur has got more details on that story. There is no relief as far as the court is concerned for Navneet Kalra, but we do not know anything just yet about his whereabouts, even as he is in fact trying hard to get an anticipatory bail also, isn't it?
Well, yes, Navneet Kalra and his company have both moved courts. Navneet Kalra, of course, filing an anticipatory bail plea in the trial in the Saket court, while his companies moved to Delhi High Court. In addition, some other co-accused persons have also moved the trial courts for anticipatory bail. Now, what they are claiming is that there could not be an allegation of hoarding, and there should not have been an FIR under the Essential Commodities Act, because according to them, the oxygen concentrators have been imported with all due paperwork done, and the taxes, etc., have been paid. They've also claimed that they were being sold online on online platforms via regular banking channels. So there is no question of any hoarding involved. We'll have to wait and see what the courts are going to say about this, because the Delhi High Court will hear the matter now on May 13th, while the Saket court is set to hear the matter tomorrow. But their petition before all courts is that they have not done anything which would justify the FIR.
All right. Anisha, be with us. Arvind Oja is also getting us more details on that story. Arvind, इस पूरे नेक्सस के बारे में बताइए. ये काफ़ी टाइम से चल रहा था, लेकिन ऐसे कई लोगों का कहना है, और नवनीत कालरा के लॉयर भी यही कह रहे हैं कि इस पे टैक्सेस दिए गए थे इन ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर्स पे, और ये ड्यूटी ये इसका जो इंपोर्ट हुआ था वो कानून के अनुसार हुआ था.
देखिए, मैं आपको बताऊं कि दरअसल दिल्ली पुलिस का कहना है कि चूंकि पैंडेमिक एक्ट लगा हुआ है, इस वजह से एक सर्टेन रूल होते हैं. जो ये नवनीत कालरा है, गगन दुग्गल, ये इंपोर्ट कर रहे थे बहुत सस्ते दामों में, लेकिन उसको जिस तरह से लोग परेशान थे ऑक्सीजन के लिए और डिमांड ज्यादा बढ़ रही थी, उसका ये लोग फायदा उठा रहे थे. मसलन 5 लीटर जो ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर है, उसका जो रेट इनको मिल रहा था वो मिल रहा था 16,000 का, लेकिन ये बेच रहे थे 50,000 में, ऐसा दिल्ली पुलिस का कहना है. इस वजह से 420 का केस लगाते हुए, पैंडेमिक एक्ट का केस लगाते हुए, होर्डिंग का केस लगाते हुए इनके खिलाफ FIR दर्ज की, रेड की गई और 4 से 5 लोगों को अरेस्ट किया गया. ये दिल्ली पुलिस का कहना है. दिल्ली पुलिस का ये भी कहना है कि वो नवनीत कालरा को तलाश कर रहे हैं, उनके फार्म हाउस पर भी गए थे, क्योंकि नवनीत कालरा से पूछताछ के बाद और कई नई चीजें जानकारी में मिलेंगी. लेकिन नवनीत कालरा फिलहाल दिल्ली पुलिस नवनीत कालरा को नहीं पकड़ पाई है. उनका मोबाइल फोन स्विच ऑफ है. शायद यही वजह है कि उनके खिलाफ लुकआउट सर्कुलर भी जारी किया गया है, और नवनीत कालरा ने अरेस्टिंग से बचने के लिए अदालत में एप्लीकेशन दाखिल किया है. लेकिन दिल्ली पुलिस का अलग कहना है. उनका कहना है उनके पास काफी ज्यादा एविडेंस है, और इसी वजह से वो नवनीत कालरा को अरेस्ट करने की कोशिश में जुटे हुए हैं.
जी बिल्कुल. Arvind, thanks for getting us those details, and thanking Anisha also for her inputs on that story. Meanwhile, Delhi Police Crime Branch has initiated a probe in the oxygen racket case. We've been talking about Navneet Kalra, the owner of the Khan Chacha restaurant there. His business partner Gagan Duggal is also under scanner. The alleged black marketing of life-saving equipment has triggered widespread outrage, with many now calling for boycott of restaurants owned by Kalra. Here's more.
At a time when Delhi is grappling for oxygen to fight this deadly virus that's ravaged India, here are multi-millionaires Navneet Kalra and Gagan Duggal, who have been illegally hoarding large quantities of oxygen concentrators and cylinders. This inhuman act was exposed by the Delhi police following a tip-off. Cops found 524 oxygen concentrators at Navneet's upscale restaurants and many more at Gagan Duggal's farmhouse. 419 oxygen concentrators found at Negi and Jew Bar and restaurant at Lodi Colony. 96 oxygen concentrators found at Khan Chacha restaurant in Khan Market. 9 oxygen concentrators were found at Town Hall Bar and restaurant in Khan Market. 387 oxygen concentrators found from Duggal's Khullar farmhouse at Mandi village. These concentrators were sold for a whopping 70,000 apiece, while police claim they were bought at 20,000 or even less. Navneet Kalra donned the hat of a philanthropist and in the guise of charity, black marketed the essential commodity. Gagan Duggal, who is said to be the mastermind, allegedly imported close to 7,000 oxygen concentrators from China and sold them on online portals for premium price. Navneet Kalra and Gagan Duggal, who are friends and partners in business, are currently exhausting all powers to prove not guilty. While Navneet Kalra is on the run since May the 6th and simultaneously pushing for bail, Gagan Duggal is cooling off in London and has appealed to the Delhi High Court to get back his stock, calling this probe ill-conceived and erroneous. The allegations are grave: hoarding essential commodity during pandemic, selling medical equipment from restaurants with food house license, no proper bill, no GST, and using their celebrity status to spread the word. Police have invoked sections of Cheating Essential Commodities Act and Epidemic Diseases Act against the accused. Delhi's society is angry and concerned. Navneet Duggal was a well-known Page 3 personality with a great network, often hobnobbing with celebrities and cricketers.
This is a serious case. The man is on the run, he's absconding, and he has hoarded oxygen concentrators, sold it for a much higher price, no license, no bills. This is illegal. And
then
there is
he must be punished. He
Right.
must be punished. There is no two ways about it. Whether I know him personally, socially, friend, no friend, but anyone who does it and is convicted and is proven has to pay for it and has to be punished. There are no two ways about it.
Navneet Kalra's business partners, who co-own the restaurants from where these oxygen concentrators were seized, have feigned ignorance. Co-owners Randeep Bajaj and Navneet Randhawa put out social media stories claiming they had no clue about the oxygen concentrators found at their restaurants. The Khan Market circles are outraged, many calling for boycott of Navneet Kalra's restaurants on social media. As Delhi gasped for breath, this case has left us all to introspect. With Munish Pandey and Nabila Jamal, Bureau Report, India Today.